Meet the oxpecker and its mammal partners.
Oxpecker birds are small, sharp-beaked creatures, often seen riding on the backs of buffaloes, rhinoceroses, and other large mammals in Africa. This unique relationship has fascinated scientists for decades, prompting questions about whether it's simply opportunistic feeding or a true partnership that benefits both species.
A meal of ticks, the oxpecker's role.
Oxpeckers use their beaks to pluck ticks, insects, and other parasites from the hides of their much larger hosts. These pests can cause irritation, transmit diseases, and sap blood from the mammals. By removing them, oxpeckers help reduce their hosts' discomfort and potential health problems.
Buffalo and rhinos gaining protection.
Large mammals, like buffalo and rhinos, benefit from having oxpeckers on board. Besides pest control, oxpeckers serve as early warning systems. When they sense danger, from predators for instance, the birds make alarm calls, alerting their hosts to potential threats nearby.
Is it always mutual? Complex interactions.
Despite these benefits, recent research suggests the relationship isn't entirely one-sided. Oxpeckers sometimes feed on wounds, keeping them open and prolonging healing. So while the partnership is often helpful, it also contains elements where the bird's behavior may harm its host.
A fascinating example of cooperation in nature.
The interactions between oxpeckers and large mammals are a blend of cooperation and conflict, illustrating the complexity of symbiotic relationships in nature. Their story teaches us that survival often depends on dynamic partnerships that benefit both sides, at least most of the time.